According to latest media reports, the configuration of the medium-weight fighter will be frozen this month, along with the subsystem-level preliminary design reviews, while it will enter the detailed design phase next month. Top officials have said that the procurement of raw materials have started, and the metal cutting for the medium-weight fighter will start from April 2021. The Modi government has allocated 2,500 crore rupees for the program, and the government will enhance the funding to roll out 4 prototypes and increase the scope of the medium-weight fighter. The first prototype is scheduled to roll out in August 2022, and its first flight is expected in September 2023. In a major development, Hindustan Aeronautics will sign an agreement with an Israeli firm at the Defense Expo 2020 to start manufacturing of advanced unmanned combat aerial vehicles in India. The advanced Heron TP has an endurance of over 36 hours, and it will be manufactured in India, that will cater to both Indian requirements as well as export to third countries. Given the flexibility between India and Israel in joint collaborations, Indian air-to-ground systems could be integrated with the advanced unmanned aerial vehicles. The South Korean defense minister will embark on a 4-day visit to India to strengthen bilateral cooperation and develop two-way cooperation in the defense industries of the two countries. This visit comes at a time when India is expected to finalize its decision on purchasing 104 South Korean K30 self-propelled anti-aircraft systems worth $2.6 billion. South Korea is also hoping to win the Indian Navy's 45,000 crore rupees Project 75Y tender for building 6 next-generation submarines. According to latest media reports, India has finally started work on the development of 5,000 km range K5 submarine-launched ballistic system, which will see the introduction of MWF capabilities. The successor of the K5 program has also been approved by the government, and the 8,000 km range K6 will begin experimental trials in 2024 that will be capable to avoid anti-ballistic systems. The 3,500 km range K4 will be equipped on the first 2 Arihant-class nuclear submarines, while the K5 and K6 systems will be equipped on the future variants of the Arihant-class nuclear submarines called the S4 and S4 Star. 5 young Indian engineers will showcase a very special virtual reality simulation pack at the Defense Expo 2020 that have been developed for sniper rifles. The virtual reality simulation pack is built for the 2 sniper rifles developed indigenously by SSS Defense, and it can be adapted for other rifles as well. Both the Sabre and Viper rifles developed by SSS Defense have recently been tested by members of the Indian Armed Forces. The armies of India and Bangladesh have started the 9th edition of Joint Military Exercise from today, and this 2-week-long exercise will stress particularly on counter-operations. A joint tactical exercise will also be conducted, during which battle drills of both the armies will be practiced, along with a command post exercise and a field training exercise.